Okay, so Ceri Walsh, Business Unit Manager. Really great day, quite scary, highlights what we don't know and the vast amount of work that we need to do, and how I think we really need to engage with the cyber element of Commissum more and gain knowledge of what they're doing to pull together where we need to be, and also all the research and the information that you provided. Well, it's going to take some time for us to spend time trawling through all that information and making sense of it. So really good, really positive.